Alright, so this is vlog number 2. Yeah, you gonna see some cool shit, some little carmy shit. But yeah, vlog number 2.
Alright, so y'all know how I have my spare on. I just took it off and I put that one on. Put the old rim back on. Well, not the old rim, but original. Now this GS spare is gone. I got another tire right there though. Just put on this one. Just have it as a spare in the back. Yeah, RP to this one though. Burnt this bitch up. Okay. Look at this nigga. Alright, we heard this Carmi with the bros. Look at my whip looking all sexy and shit. Hey, they went to get a fucking handbag. They went to go pick up a girl. Niggas droopy as fuck, nigga.
Look,
hey, look.
Style.
Hey.
Around with the bottle, nigga.
Hey.
She look like a model, nigga.
Yeah.
At IKEA posted. Hey, delete that shit, nigga.
Posted. Gang. Damn. Little 350. Something light. You're out here, bro. Oh shit, hella smoke. You finna get in there, bro? You finna get in there, bro? What? You finna get in there, bro?
Yeah, I just do it.
Damn. Nigga, hey, bro, you good as fuck, bro. You be in that shit. Damn. Alright, bro. I'll record you, bro. I'll send you. I'll post a video. Look at the ass. Who did that? Look, RX-8.
Rotary?
I don't know.
I heard it was.
I think, I don't know. Damn, bro, that was bad. Ooh. He's good, bro. He's good. Little Miata. Fucking donut. Moment. Tell me that wasn't one of the best pills.
Oh yeah.
Tell me that wasn't a good ass pill.
That was big, nigga. That was YouTube quality.
Oh, Mustang, bro. I knew.
Okay, bro.
Hey, watch out a little bit. Okay. When the Mustang doesn't burn out? Okay. Gang, YouTube, we are here in San Diego. Pull up next weekend on gang.
It gets bigger and bigger every week. Tell Chapo we can't.
Fuck yeah. Chapo. Pull up. Pull up with the chopper. Bro, I couldn't even breathe. Oh, bro, I can't breathe. Bro, I couldn't even breathe. Asthma and shit.
You just hurt my eyes, nigga.
Damn, true. Hey, out here. Fucking out here. People to the court. Gang. So we just look, nigga, take that up. Gang. These niggas out here. We're out here in Mexico. Hey, Mexico.
No. And their name, that shit feels
We're here in Mexico.
That shit feels good.
Hey, what part of Mexico in? What part of Mexico in? Oxo. We're at the Oxo, behind the Oxo. Mustang. You buy credit cards with your arms, nigga.
It don't even matter. There's a big ass difference like between if you put it in that shit. It don't matter.
Shout out to GS. Damn. Shout out to Camaro.
You can't look out for George.
The big ass wheels.
It's literally moving. It's just fucking. So why make it
Piece of DA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the PDA, bro, you know.
PDA, nigga. What the fuck? That's like sex with shit in public or something.
That shit feels funny, huh? You know, like in your lip, though. That shit feels funny. Yeah.
Dude, the Ultima though. What is it? Maxima or some shit. Shout out to Dude in Blue. Damn, hey! Nigga, some swamp beetles.
Nigga, recording for this YouTube video.
Nigga sound like a beetle with no ears, nigga.
Hey, wasn't there a homeless over there?
Yeah, hella homeless niggas. Hella. That's why I close my windows so no homeless niggas come in my car and shit.
Beat their asses and shit?
Doot doot. Nah, I wouldn't be the homeless nigga.
You wouldn't?
Suck that nigga with my ears, nigga. I'm playing.
Okay, that nigga that East Memphis song.
With the East Memphis
East Dago, nigga.
Now we're in Mexico, nigga. What are you talking about?
San Isidro?
We're in Mexico, Mercury.
We came to see where his dad.
We're in the trenches of Mexico. Nah, we're out here in Mexico. Don't listen to him. Oh. Nigga was acting like he about to do a donut. Nigga. This nigga does chin-ups. This nigga like a coconut crab with hair. You like a swamp bat. Nigga, you like...
He goes to sleep laughing by himself, bro. Like, roasting himself and
shit. Fuck yeah. Oh, her. Yeah. You're... Go to the fucking Wendy's, dope.
Like two, you look, nigga. The Looney Tunes ones and the fucking one from the mansion. You
can't even see shit.
You look like the little pig. What's his name? You look like Peppa Pig.
Okay. We are after the car meet, nigga. Is fucking 12:44 out here. We're here back in Mexico.
They making vlogs and shit.
Yeah. Automatic boys out here though. Gang. About to eat some shit. I'm about to go home after this shit. Catch our little jungangas.
Flex.
This nigga flexes. Look at this. $5. $5 to clean. Nigga, you pay $5 to get your nails painted, nigga.
You pay $5 to fucking get your neck cracked.
The nigga buys sandbags in Africa. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh no, they're not monster tacos, they're regular tacos.
Monster tacos?
Monster truck tacos. This nigga eats tacos in a monster truck. But I recall that too. This nigga slaps walruses. Lesus.
Hey. Water cup.
Can I get a 2 water cups, please? Oh, just one, just one.
No, I want to.
This nigga's change is 75.
That's all you. You got that.
Broke. Hell yeah. Fucking. Todo shut the window.
Huh?
Don't fucking litter, bud. Hey, nigga Juby as fuck.
Get up.
Let me get one fry.
Watch out, bro.
Hey. My car turned off. Battery died.
Fuck, we're stuck in the drive-thru.
That's why I hate my Lexus 700. She got VTEC though.
This nigga's car died and we're in the drive-thru and shit. This nigga buy his home furniture in the dark.
Hey. Hey, call him. Say, what's bracket? Hey.
For weirdo.
Hey, 97.9.
The dollar looks juvie though.
Hey. Alright, so you two be home. I'm fucking tired. I got work tomorrow. Get the red light center. I got to show that. Fire little shit. Disconnect that so shit don't kill my battery. Lights off. Oh. Tired as hell. Good night, baby. Love you. If you don't look back at your car while walking away, you bought the wrong car, my nigga. Like for real. It's dark as hell. I don't even know. Fuck. It's way too dark. Yeah, but I'm out here. Speed limit 25. It's crazy. It's fucking 1 in the morning. It's like 1:20. Peep the Magnum though. This shit got some big ass brakes. Peep my house. Hey. This is my bed art. So now I'm playing. It's my tree branch. House. Alright guys, I live in the alley. I'm about to go to sleep. Catch y'all.